Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get GitHub project link. Need to share your GitHub project link with teammates or on your resume. Now in this video, I'll show you how to find and copy your GitHub project link easily. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open your GitHub project. And to do that, just go to github.com and click on the website. In your browser, just type in the website, and after the website appears, make sure you log in using your account credentials. Now after you log in, click on your project repository from your profile or dashboard. As you can see here, these are the top of my repositories. I'm just gonna click on any one of those to access a repository. Now here the second step is to copy the project link. Once inside the repository, look at the browser's address bar. As you can see here, this is the address bar. The second step is now the link will be https regularly .github slash your repository name and slash the name of the repository name, etc. Now all you have to do is select all the URL and click on your right click on the mouse and then click on copy. And that's it. Now you can share it wherever you want, and that's the URL for your project. If your project is private, others won't be able to access the link unless you invite them. So you can change the repository settings. And use bit.ly to shorten your project link for easy sharing. And you can also add a readme.md file to explain your project before sharing. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you find and copy your GitHub project link in just a few simple clicks. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.